Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Anis Maisarah binti Tajuk Arifin. Today, I will present to you about Evernex. Evernex is business that grow all over the world. We put customer on the path to achieving more with greener, safe and better solution by unleashing the power of their IT. With more than 37 years of experience in asset life extension and through multi-vendor data center maintenance, Evernex is the top provider of IT life services globally. With creative services that lessen our client environmental impact and consistently outperform their expectation, we restructure IT processes to prioritize business growth and continuity. As you can see on the screen, Figure 1 show organizational structure in Evernex. An organizational structure is a system that outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve the goals of an organization. This activity can include roles and responsibility. The organizational structure also determines how information flow between levels within the company. Evernex mission is to be preferred global IT infrastructure lifecycle service provider with the largest footprint of people and spare part in the industry. We do this the right way by staying close to our customer and their need, applying our core value to everything we do and being committed to a more sustainable IT world. Vision. Our vision is a sustainable DG world where IT leaders have the full power to choose the best time and the best solution to transform their infrastructure. Value. Our value are the driving force behind every action we take to fulfill our commitment to all our stakeholders, which is our client, our employee, our shareholder and society as the whole.
My name is Fatiha and I'm going to present about compensation and benefits. Compensation and benefits includes all financial and non-financial return as well as actual services provided to employees as part of their job relationship. Employees earn their compensation in the workplace. It includes salary or wages, commission and other incentive or bonuses associated with the particular employee's role. Compensation will affect how the employee will behave by the way how they view compensation. Compensation and benefits are important in aspect of HRM to keep the employees motivated to come to work. Employees may have received compensation because of satisfying the employer's expectation. Compensation component can include a base pay of annual salary or hourly wages come together with bonus payment, benefit received and incentive. For Evernex, the employee division is divided into 3 departments, that is management, sales and operation. Each department is paid according to a different compensation component that has been set. Evernex uses several compensation components such as base pay, merit pay, lump sum bonus, individual incentive and success sharing plan. Base pay is the minimum amount an employee may be paid for their service and the amount is agreed upon during the hiring process. The employee will receive the base pay as long as employment continues. Base pay is the secure portion of wages to the employee. All of the employees of Evernex are compensated with the base pay. Merit pay is a tool the employers can grant to their best performing employees based on their performance. This merit pay is paid to the employees added to the base pay in the following years as if they were fully compensated for their services to the company. Evernex only compensates with merit pay to the employees from the management department. Lump sum bonus is the same as merit pay. It is granted to the employees based on their individual performance. Lump sum bonus is not added to base pay, but it is given as a one-time bonus usually at the end of the year or any festival depending on the discretion of the employer. Evernex distribute lump sum bonus to the employees based on the job level. The higher the position held in the company, the more bonuses are received by the employees. The lump sum bonus is given according to the position. This lump sum bonus only given to the employees of the management and sales department. The individual incentive is a variable pay that is added to the fixed base pay. The incentive component directly linked to the increment of compensation to increase individual output such as commission and non-cash. Evernext is only given this compensation component to the employees of the sales department. Evernext uses a success sharing plan to compensate the operation employees department. This variable pay is linked to a measure of group performance rather than individual performance. This variable pay is not added to base pay. In Evernext, the success sharing plan component is only eligible for the operation employees. Pay level refers to the average of an array of rates paid an employer for a given occupation or grade of job. Pay level is a key unit in an organization. Compensation structure that is used to signify differences in compensation due to the smallest conceivable change in job specification. Pay level determines a minimum pay rate, a maximum pay rate, and a series of mid-range changes for pay increases in the salary range, or when to decide how much should the company pay when recruit new employees. Pay level has two strategies. The first strategy is internal alignment that compares the pay level inside the organization within the employees, and the second one is external competitiveness strategies, which refer to how the firm compares its pay level to those from other organizations. Comparisons are made with other employers who recruit people with similar skill. Internal alignment, also known as internal equity, refers to the wage ties that exist among the various job, skill, and competencies inside one organization. Job and employee skill are compared in terms of their contribution to the organization business objective. Evernext have 5 structures range from sales and marketing to director. The relationship in the description of each level in Evernext is determinant on how to pay each level and is create a pay structure. Pay level is key dimension of compensation plan design in the organization. Pay level help the organization the total amount of compensation that an organization decide to pay the employees for the level of performance desired. The external competitiveness strategy is to monitor and compare the pay level with the different company outside from the organization. External competitiveness is to set a pay level in range of market pay, for example, above, below or equal to the competitors' offer. Comparisons are made with the same job skill from others' company. The important strategic decision is to determine how much the competitors are willing to pay to hire employees or to create new pay package that are distinct from competitors but better fit the business strategy.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rabia binti Sulaiman and I'm going to present about the pay mix and strategy. The definition of pay mix refers to the proportion of an employee's base salary to the target incentive that are included in their own target earnings. Evernext does apply pay mix to the sales employee and also implement strategy towards. There are 2 types of pay mix, which are the cash compensation combinations and average salary to incentive pay. So the first one is about the cash compensation combination by type of sales employee. They are among of the base salary, which is no bonuses or commission. The next one is base salary and bonuses, which is it means no commission. The next one is base salary and commission with no bonuses. The next one, base salary and bonuses plus commission. And the last one is straight commission, which is no base salary or bonus. So there are many forms of cash compensation that are included in the total cash remuneration that is targeted for a sales employee in Evernext. So most salespeople have a set starting pay plus commission or bonus potential. Commission are more common for sales managers and sales representatives than for other sorts of salespeople. Commission are most effective when given to workers whose primary responsibility is to to close sales or to sell expensive goods or services. When it's hard to quantify an employee's contribution to sales, Evernex uses bonuses for the cash compensation, especially for sales manager, business development manager, and technical support engineer. Now we move forward to the second part, which is the average salary to incentive pay. So it based on the position, and so normally the average it comes in like for example, like first grade sales representative, we give like 66 over 34, sales manager 66 over 35, business development we give 80 over 20, and the technical support engineer we're giving 83 over 17. So there is a difference between the position and the percentage. A lower incentive component shown by Evernex are considered as a direct selling has been replaced by indirect methods. Each member of the team contributes to the sales process. The business or item it is in early stages, the sales process takes a long time. Marketing campaigns have a significant impact on revenue, and professional advancement prospects are good for those already employed there.
Evernex has implemented a traditional pay structure. There are several salary levels. Traditional structures have more salary grades, and the scope of the salary grades is narrower than in other types of structures. Like this company, they determine that a new sales partner should be paid between Rm 40,000 and Rm 50,000 per year, depending on experience. Traditional pay structures, on the other hand, keep employees from reaching their maximum salaries too quickly, which can help with employee retention if they know they have room for advancement. These companies' pay structures are critical because they aid in the monitoring and control of company expenses. In addition, employees should be informed of their current and future salary expectations. Employees' expected earnings are set by pay structures. Maintain the employees' competitiveness. Employers can use current market salary data to ensure that they are offering competitive salaries in comparison to other business in their industry.
So for the software and application used in Evernex, so Evernex is using different software for all for the payroll and human resource information system, which we call as HRIS. So Sunfish software is used for the payroll management of Evernex globally, because Evernex is over a more than 20 countries all over the world. As we are aware, the Evernex has so many branches globally, hence Sunfish is the perfect payroll that is being used for almost all the countries. This is because Sunfish has excellent features and almost everything is generated in the system. In the system itself, it has e-claims that employees are able to just upload their receipts and HR personnel to review and approve from the system. While on the Malaysian side, Evernex a branch is using Payroll Panda as their payroll system. So Payroll Panda is not having the best features among all payroll systems. However, Payroll Panda is among the top payroll system used in Malaysia due to the easy and friendly features that they have, and it is really synced with Malaysia regulation whereby Evernex can easily generate the tax for employee and employer really without a hassle to do manually create from the form. One of the systems are used by Avenex to create an employee profile where employees are able to review the payslip, especially from their mobile application, and it is so convenient to be able to log in anywhere at any time. When it comes to HRS, Avenex is using a SuccessFactors system that can manage employee profiles regarding employment from compensation to benefits globally. Avenex is able to create employee profile as well and restrict some parts that only can be viewed by management. Avenex also can review and have recorded employee details from active to non-active due to termination or resignation, and the system is able to make Avenex employee details recorded in a systematic way and easy to make a comparison between other employees and departments.
Here are the comments on the practice of this company. Those in charge of finding solutions to this problem must work harder. Many graduates will also need to conduct additional research to ensure that their rights are protected. Also, employees who perform well should be rewarded in proportion to their productivity, as opposed to employees who perform poorly. Furthermore, employees who are compensated will be more motivated to continue working. For the recommendations, positions with pay range, decision should be made and pay range should be established based on relevant market analysis. Starting pay and compensation adjustment guidelines should be developed with reference to the market midpoint and should be based on established employee categories and titles. Following that, comprehensive training programs and related tools will be required for all employees to ensure effective performance management, with the understanding that performance measurement will vary depending on the responsibilities of a positions. Lastly, to determine compensations, the recommended systems would use relevant labor markets as a major input. It will also be heavily reliant on a working performance management system.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.